Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to mark as finished books on Headway. I wonder why you want to know how to mark books as finished books on Headway. Maybe because you saved the books for later and you read them or listened to them, and now you just want to mark them as finished so they get removed from the saved list. Or maybe you just want to move the books list from saved list to the finished list. Or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can mark books as finished books on Headway. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Headway app, and if you have not installed it in your mobile phone, then you can still install it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, you also have to make sure that you have already created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Headway app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have many different options all over the screen. Other than that, we have different books that you could listen or you could read. Now, if you want to add a book as your finished book, but first you have to add them into your saved list for later. So once they get into saved list, then you can mark them as finished books. Therefore, you have to go through books that you have read. But in case here, I'll go for this book. I'll just simply tap on this book. I read its title and go through all these things. After that, we'll click onto this option to save this book. Once it gets saved, we will get back and then we will go to this option which is at the bottom. This is the third option. Which one is this? So you just have to simply click onto this option and there you will find your saved books that you have read and want to add them as your finished books. So here you could see we have three dots on every book. You have to tap on these three dots. Once you tap on it, you will see different option. So here you have to select this second option which says marked as finished. Once you click on it, you will see another list will be there which says finished and the books that you moved will get here. Likewise, you will add those books that you have read into finished one and they will get into finished list. So that's how you can mark all the books that you have read over the time, or maybe you just have finished them into your finished list on Headway app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can mark books as finished books on Headway. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.